Alright, next up we have Daniel going to do a Crown 2012 Crown Royale. Wait a second, make sure I have that right. It was 12, right? There we go. Yep, 12. Just picked third one down in the stack, which was box number 39. And there we go, 00 for gold standard. Here we go, Demu. Oh, this way. Alrighty, 2012 Crown. Your die cut Bob Meacham. Santonio Holmes jersey card is Jarius Wright. Rookie jersey. There we go. That one is numbered to 149. Jarrell Worthy, Denarius Moore, and Bob Meacham again. Let's see, DeLon Carter. Here's the gold version. Corey Harkey. There we go. That one's numbered to 99. Terrence Ganaway. That one's numbered to 149. Just base, and Santonio Holmes. Oh, D-Griff. No, I don't have Prism Draft. Just Prism regular. Alright, we have Percy. Aaron Rodgers. The Emerald version. Patch autograph, Brandon Whedon. Silhouette patch. That one's numbered 5 of 49. An extra autograph, Stephon Gilmore. That one is numbered to 99. Steve Smith, Muhammad Massaquoi, and Aaron Rodgers. Isaac Redman. Here's the purple Bobby Wagner. What's up, Jake? There we go. The purple version. That one's numbered to only 25. Jared Crick. Numbered to 99. Base, and James Laurinaitis. Alright. Got the Emerald silhouette, but it is Brandon Whedon. Alright, we have Paul Warfield, Golden Age, and Troy Polamalu, DeMarcus Van Dyke, John Elway, Aldrick Robinson, Len Dawson, Von Miller, hit number 1 to 99, jersey card, Bob Greasy, number to 99, 299 jersey, Jamie Harper.
Okay.
Very good. Thanks.
There you go. DeLon Carter patch.
Here it comes.
There we go. DeLon Carter patch autograph. Jay Cutler jersey autograph. That one's numbered to 10. Mr. Jay Cutler, there you go. I think that one's his jersey number. Yep. 6 of 10. 6 of 10 and jersey number. Jay Cutler. And Niles Paul. A rookie, and that's $4.99. Okie dokie. Appreciate it, D-Moose. Sorry for the wait, man. I'll get this out tonight sometime. See you, bud.